Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ICLD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes summarizing today's price action pretty straightforward. So if you say, hey, Clay, summarize the price action for me today, I would say pump and dump. Now, I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense of this company's being run out of somebody's attic over in, Somalia, because I don't know anything about the company. I'm just making that statement based solely on how the price acted today. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So let's first just start by mapping out where all this started. So in my mind, it all started when the breakout happened today. Breakout of what? Well, for the past few days, the price has really struggled to get up above the 007 mark. You look back here through the history of the chart, you can see right there, rejected, 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 and then finally was able to break above it there. So that is what I'm defining as the starting point. So let's go through the definition. Price makes a really nice move. Well, again, it started right there, and then it went up as high as there. I would hope we can all agree that this was a very nice move. Second part, within a relatively short amount of time. Well, considering this happened all in the same day, I'm hoping we can agree that this all did indeed happen within a relatively short amount of time. The price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So again, where did I say it all started? Right here at the green line, 007. Where did the price ultimately close? Down here. So the price is literally right back to where it started in regards to, breaking out of that channel. And if that's not a pump and dump, I don't know what is. Now, am I saying that the price can never ever make another good move again? I'm not saying that at all. But as far as this price movement was concerned today, back to the drawing board for the bulls, because they're going to have to put together something totally new, because as far as that price movement is concerned, it just didn't have any true strength behind it. Clay, how can you say it didn't have any true strength? Well, price movements with true strength are going to progress forward. They're not going to go right back to where they started. I'm hoping I state the obvious when I say that. So that is where the whole pump and dump, kind of outlook is coming from. Great move, yes, but now that the dust is settled and the closing bell is rung, price is literally back right inside of that channel. So maybe the bulls have something new in store. Only time will tell. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.